Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up an audio mixer in OBS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete understanding of how to configure and optimize your audio sources. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Step 1. Setting up the audio input. First, open OBS Studio. Make sure you have created a new profile and a new scene collection. Select the scene where you want to configure your audio, then click on the plus icon in the Sources panel. Choose Audio Input Capture and name it according to the device you'll be using, such as microphone. Click OK, then select your preferred audio device from the drop-down menu. Once selected, click OK again to add it to your scene. Step 2. Understanding the audio mixer panel. Once your audio input is added, you will see it appear in the audio mixer panel. This panel provides a real-time visual representation of your audio levels. The meter displays 3 color zones: green, safe audio levels; yellow, moderate levels, still acceptable; red, high volume, which can cause distortion. To adjust the volume, use the slider next to the audio source. If the volume is too high, lower the slider to avoid clipping. If needed, you can also mute the audio by clicking on the speaker icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.